Some of the fastest growing occupations in the country, from data scientists to solar and wind energy technicians, barely existed 2 decades ago. At the same time, even people in the most enduring careers, doctors, accountants, salespeople, use tools and knowledge that would be unrecognizable to their peers 20 or even 10 years ago. Continual reinvention is the new norm for both companies and employees to survive in today's economy. Research shows that adults learn best when we are solving problems, engaging with others, monitoring our own learning, and doing so across personal and professional contexts. In my work as an executive coach and the CEO of Babson Executive Education, I've identified 3 powerful strategies for cultivating proactive, intentional learning by harnessing opportunities present in our everyday, professional, and personal lives. First, successful lifelong learners are good at recognizing and engaging with learning prompts. Any situation we encounter that demands or inspires learning can serve as a prompt, whether it's facing a tough problem that requires new ways of thinking, upping your game to prepare for a promotion or major career shift, or simply feeling unable to keep up with particular duties in your current role. Once they identify a learning prompt, effective learners develop a strategy for gaining the skills and knowledge they need. Sometimes this can be as simple as doing a bit of research online or asking a colleague for guidance, but for bigger transformations, one of the most effective tools is a learning agenda. A learning agenda lays out a step-by-step strategy for gaining expertise, taking the major shifts demanded by today's rapidly changing workplace, and dividing them into actionable steps. The last strategy successful lifelong learners practice is one of the simplest to describe, but hardest to master, because it requires a fundamental shift in orientation. It's the art of practicing curiosity. The best way to take advantage of the learning opportunities presented in our everyday interactions and cultivate positive relationships and more meaningful communication in the process is to master the art of the open-ended, non-judgmental, probing question. The only constant in today's professional world is change, and the need for continual transformation can feel overwhelming at times. By embracing strategies like learning prompts, learning agendas, and the art of curiosity, you can adapt more successfully to our rapidly changing world.